pioneers of efficient market solutions, we all understand that compartmentalization leads to sub-optimization. Failing to recognize and build on areas where partners and friends can be more efficient and effective together drives up costs and slows down transition and even undermines innovation. Our countries need transformational investment to build climate resilience, transform our economies, and respond to crisis. The world urgently needs to mobilize larger amounts of resources to facilitate green transition and tackle climate crisis. While I firmly believe in global collaboration, we must also recognize the necessity of long-term strategic partnerships. We aspire for our electricity generation to be renewable 100% by 2030. More importantly, we aim to expand our grid and electricity generation to power green growth to 100 gigawatts by 2040 to support a middle-income country with a green industrial and manufacturing backbone. When one is as green as we are, the challenge transcends a mere green transition. Our potential and ambition reach much higher. We aim to realize climate-positive, clean growth. Opportunities abound, from primary processing and smelting of minerals to electric mobility, clean cooking transformations, green data centers, and regenerative agriculture. You may have noticed yesterday there was an announcement of investment of $1 billion by Microsoft, G42, EcoCloud of Kenya, to build a regional data center in Kenya. That speaks to some of the opportunities green energy and green industrialization can bring about.
He understands better than anyone the power of nature to heal the planet by doing everything from cooling ground temperatures to sequestering carbon to preventing floods by absorbing excess rainwater. He has announced a goal to plant 15 billion trees by 2032 to increase Kenya's forest cover from less than 10% to nearly 30%. And we at USAID have been honored to support Kenya's conservation efforts, helping the country restore ecosystems, protect wildlife, and establish carbon markets that will help Kenya benefit from the incredible value that safeguarding these ecosystems creates for our planet.